At first glance, this house seems almost completely closed. Its long stone facade reveals very little from the street. That sense of mystery is intentional. This is Stealth House in Minato Ward, Tokyo. It was designed by Apollo Architects and Associates. The home was completed in 2025. Behind its quiet exterior is a bright and deeply personal retreat. The design responds to one of Tokyo's biggest challenges. How do you create privacy without losing natural light? The answer begins at the entrance. A large garage stretches across the lower level. It can hold up to 8 cars, but it feels more like a private gallery than a parking space. Natural light enters through a planted courtyard. Warm ceiling lights soften the dark interior. From here, the house begins to open. A double-height entry creates an immediate sense of space. A sculptural staircase connects the different levels. Its timber steps bring warmth to the stone and concrete surfaces. Glass railings keep the circulation light and transparent. Below ground, another courtyard brings daylight into the basement. This level includes spaces for exercise and entertainment. There is a gym, a golf room, and a karaoke area. These rooms could have felt dark and enclosed. Instead, they feel calm, bright, and connected to nature. The private bedrooms are located on the level above. Their interiors use dark stone, warm timber, and soft lighting. Large windows open toward quiet balconies and planted views. A glass-walled study overlooks the double-height entrance. This creates visual connections between different parts of the home. The biggest transformation happens on the upper living floor. The kitchen, dining area, and lounge form one continuous space. Dark wood ceilings add warmth and visual rhythm. Long windows bring in soft and balanced daylight. Diagonal louvers protect the family from outside views. They also create changing patterns of light and shadow. On the south side, large glass panels can disappear completely. The living room then opens directly onto a covered terrace. A deep roof overhang protects the space from sun and rain. Beside the terrace is a long infinity pool. The water reflects the stone, timber, greenery, and changing sky. Above it all is a simple rooftop dog run. It is a small detail, but it makes the house feel more human. Stealth House is not defined only by luxury. Its real strength comes from balance. It feels private, but never dark. It feels protected, but never disconnected. It turns a dense urban site into a peaceful inner world. From the street, the house appears silent and impenetrable. Inside, it is full of light, movement, and everyday life.